thing is adaptation, because this all natural selection is based on adaptation, that how plants get adapted. So adaptation, mutation leads to adaptation. Like there is some change in the environment which causes the plant to change itself. Okay, this is also evolution, this is also mutation. Evolution means the plant is going to evolve. Okay, we in science we believe that human had a tail. They had a tail, the previous species, but with passage of time, because human doesn't need do not need the tails, the tails get extinct, right? This was one theory. So it means the human adapted themselves to the environment because they don't need to hang around the trees, from the trees or down the trees. Okay? So this is adaptation. So the adaptation, um, okay, the adaptation can be positive and it can impose a negative effect. Okay, let's talk about the positive effect. The positive effect is that the species would be able to survive by making some changes, right? But there is disadvantages as well. Okay, one disadvantage is when the species are parasites or they are pathogens and they get to know how to survive. For example, bacteria. Okay, you might have heard that the people get resistant to the antibiotics, or the bacteria get stronger over time. But how they are getting stronger over time? Because they are also developing, or the exactly antibiotic resistance. So the antibiotics are no longer functional on them. Do read about MRSA. It's in your book. What is MRSA? MRSA means methicillin, which is a type of drug or medicine. Okay, methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus. Okay, Staphylococcus aureus is a bacteria and it is resistant to the antibiotic named as methicillin. Let me write. Wait. MRSA. MRSA. It's a name of bacteria and it is resistant to methicillin. Have you heard the name of penicillin? It's another form of penicillin. Okay, so it's a methicillin resistant bacteria. It means if you take in this medicine for this certain bacteria, it's not going to work because the bacteria has developed resistance. And how is this resistance developed? By the mutation. Okay, because it also know how to change the DNA sequence. So there would be change in the DNA sequence, there would be mutation, and the medicine won't be uh, effective enough. Okay, how do medicines work? Let's first discuss that. Okay, yes, it can. Okay, it's a mutation. So we have read that there can be deletion, there can be addition, right? So the chances of mutation are always there. It can happen to the okay, because of the ionizing radiations or because of the smoking. Okay, so they're also part of our environment. They we all are experiencing UV rays from the sun, so maybe they get mutation. Okay, the bottom line is that they know how to survive, and now we have to make some or design another medicine according to their DNA sequence. Okay. Okay, let's talk about artificial selection. Why do we need artificial selection? Okay, first of all, to increase the production of food. Due to overpopulation, we need to increase the food production. So we choose those plants or those species which can produce bigger fruit or vegetable and which can give a better taste. Okay, very first thing. Second thing, let's talk about plants. We have talked about plants. Uh, More. Second is animals. Yes, we are choosing animals because we get milk from animals, we get meat from animals. So we are choosing those animals which produce more milk, give better quality eggs, produce better meat. Okay. Okay, how is artificial selection done? Artificial selection done. So natural selection is by nature. How is artificial selection done? So we choose certain animals and breed them. They they need there would be interbreeding, and that would result, that won't, it doesn't mean that it happens in one generation. We need to keep on repeating this one. Okay, so it would be repeated over several generation to get the desired results. Okay, what is the disadvantage? No, 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 no. We are choosing them. Okay. The disadvantage is there would be loss of diversity or the loss of variation because we are choosing only certain animals. We are discarding the other animals which may not survive later. Okay. So we are, because we are selecting it by, it's an artificial selection, so it may lead to the loss of in the variation or the diversity. So there might be some useful genes which might be present in the discarded animal. Now those genes are not transferred. So it's a potential, it doesn't happen in every case, but it's a potential disadvantage. Okay. There it may happen that the desired or the artificial selected animals won't have that much immunity or tolerance to diseases as compared to the other ones. And this is the leading cause of extinction of animals. When a certain species does not have immunity or tolerance. Okay, so if there is some question related to disadvantages, you must know what to write. Number one, loss of variation. Number two, loss of useful genes. Okay, are you making notes? Okay. Oh, I don't know whether I have deleted. Let me check. I'm not sure. Okay, useful genes. Okay, this is all about the natural selection and artificial selection. Okay.